Hello and welcome to Editing Forms and Editing Form Layouts video. So today we are going to find out how to edit these things, and to begin doing this we start off in our list of existing forms. So we can either click the name of the form to edit this form, or we click the pencil icon on the right hand side, and this takes us to editing this form. To edit a form layout, we simply go into Site Manager, Code Editor, we click Layouts, Forms, we pick a form that we want to view and edit. We can then view the default liquid. Fantastic. We can also view the starter site liquid, which is just here. We can also right click on this file and create a new file so that we can create our own layouts. So just to recap, we have found out how to edit our forms and edit our form layouts.